and oh, don't you fall off the side. Don't you even think about it. My thumb caught it. Oh, that's close. Watch this, y'all. A little peanut butter. But yeah, check it out. Freaking dope. Look how many people are out here, man. It's amazing. Catching good waves too. Look at that. Good job, brother. What is up, my Back to Life family? Today we just woke up in Oahu, Hawaii, and I'm going to take you to one of the most famous beaches here, and it's called North Shore. This guy right here behind me surfs the most deadliest wave, one of the most deadliest waves in the world. Are you gonna surf today?
I don't know, we'll see.
We're gonna see how the waves are. Hair's blowing everywhere. He's eating a little clementine or whatever you call it, cutie, whatever you call them.
What are you telling everybody I surf?
Listen, brother, if you go surf today, I'm filming you, all right? So just be ready. We're going to, it's called North Shore. That's the whole beach, and it's so freaking beautiful. Obviously, Hawaii's beautiful in general, but we're about to jump in the car. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to get there. It's such a beautiful drive, and I want you to experience what I experienced on the way there. Driving around the island in Hawaii is literally breathtaking. I'm not even joking, but we're gonna jump in the car in the old clunker that gets us from point A to point B. He's gonna grab his surfboard, I'm sure, and hopefully I can get some dope shots of him. And if not, I'm going to show y'all one of the most beautiful beaches, some cool food trucks around there, just a dope vibe, because it is so fun to be here in Hawaii, to just relax and just take this in. Like, this is where I wake up every single morning. I mean, just look at that, y'all. Just for, like, I gotta go. I'm gonna go jump in. He's waiting on me. A couple years done passed. Stories being written. The goal was finished last, right? Wait, but I'm just calling it patience. Whole world on my shoulders while all of them hating. But yeah, like it's the life you chose. Had a couple thoughts switched up and then I closed up. A couple doors I could never get through. I'm just sitting here praying, thanking God for what I do, yeah. Alrighty, y'all, we have arrived. Mr. Surfboard Dave, sir. It's really great to see you here. He's getting his surfboard. Literally, he's got the surfboards right there. He's about to go shred. Oh, snap. We got the army coming through and everything, y'all. We have arrived. This is how beautiful it is. Check this out. My man's got his surfboard. You look like a freaking model. It's beautiful out here, y'all. Look, there's even a school across the road. Oh, man. If you've never been to North Shore, you're missing out, y'all. This junk is crazy. Just wait on it. Yo, look, if you've never surfed, this is how you scrape off the wax so you can apply some new wax. If you're a professional, of course. And he's a professional. I'm not a professional. No, he's a professional. He's dope. Wait till I get some videos of you, bro. Looks walking up to the beach. Just absolutely unreal, man. Look, there's a freaking rooster. Whose rooster is that? Oh my goodness. I speak rooster too. Oh, he's gonna catch some good waves. Hey, I feel it, brother. You're gonna get some good waves today. I feel it, brother. Not for real. There's so many people here. I told y'all it's one of the most famous beaches. Look at this, y'all. Everybody's out here chilling. Look, sleeping on the beach. I respect it. People surfing right now. Oh, look at the little lizard. But yeah, check it out. Freaking dope. Look how many people are out here, man. It's amazing. Catching good waves too. Look at that. Good job, brother. Freaking awesome, y'all. Pipeline, one of the most dangerous waves in the world, is all the way over there, y'all. He surfs it. This guy right here. No, I don't. Yes, you do. Stop playing, bro. Literally, y'all. I wish the waves were going in right now, because he would go surf it and I would film him. But literally, he's good as crap. I'm gonna catch him on video a couple times. Boom! That was pretty dope. This is a whole vibe, man. So many people on the beach. He's applying the wax. Get it on there, brother. Yes, sir. Well, folks, there he goes. It's what? Where? Right there, walking out. Yeah. Like straight up. Yeah. Yo, that's crazy. That's Kelly Slater, one of the most famous surfers in the world. What the frick? And I'm just here filming. That's pretty cool. Makes sense on why there's so many people watching. I was confused for a second. All right, y'all, so I'm out here tanning, watching him surf. Not a lot of big waves coming through. My man had to come out here and take his top off, though. He said he was sweating out in the water, so he took that jacket thing he wears off. It's still so beautiful out here, though. Like, it's literally just, the sun is shining. I'm burning. I'm just baking out here like a piece of meat. No pun intended, but literally, I love being at the freaking beach, man. This is amazing. I'm gonna try to get some more clips of him surfing out there. The waves are starting to get better and better, I think. But we'll see what happens. Then we're gonna go grab some amazing food at a little food truck over here that y'all are gonna love. It's gonna be amazing. Uh-oh, there's somebody. Okay, oh, that's David. Okay, ride that wave, brother. Oh, he had to get out of his way. I respect it. That was pretty good though. Look at that, you never know. Beautiful day. I'm gonna go jump in the water though, I think. All right, y'all, jumped in the water. I feel refreshed. Oh, that was amazing. Oh, if you've never swam in a clear blue ocean, you're missing out. Oh my goodness, that felt so freaking amazing. Waves coming in. The water was cold, so it felt like I was jumping in an ice bath. But then you get used to it. That was so freaking awesome. People are still surfing. You can see you got dad eating pizza with son and daughter. That's so freaking cute. One day that might be me with my little kids right there. But yeah, everybody's just chilling, having a darn good time. Oh, this is amazing. I can't get enough of Hawaii, y'all. This is literally like my happy place, where it's like a vacation, but I can still vlog, and I don't feel like I'm just working. This is paradise. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, y'all, we just finished up at the beach. It's time to go eat. A little food truck, we're gonna get an acai bowl. You guys are gonna see how amazing it looks. Fresh fruit, peanut butter, all that. All right, y'all, so this is the little food truck. Literally, the beach was over there. You just run across the street or park your car wherever you want. Not over here though, this is private property. And then you order yourself a real Brazilian acai bowl. It's a dope little spot though. Just so y'all know what I keep saying, that's the acai bowl right there. It costs about 10 bucks. Oh, it's about to be amazing. Just wait, it's gonna come in one of them. Y'all, this is literally food porn. Like, I'm not even kidding. We got peanut butter, granola, condensed milk, honey, bananas. It's a mukbang, brother. Look, how's that taste? Tell me how that tastes, brother. That freaking makes you speechless. And then look at this view you get to enjoy in freaking Hawaii as you eat one of these. Like, what in the freaking world, man? Just look at that, y'all. I'm gonna take a few bites just to show y'all how good it is. All right, y'all, acai bowl in Hawaii. Come in real quick, just one more time, y'all. Little condensed milk, honey, peanut butter, blueberry, you name it. Look at this. Watch this. Just watch this spoon go. And oh, don't you fall off the side. Don't you even think about it. My thumb caught it. Oh, that's close. Watch this, y'all. A little peanut butter.
That thumb better not fall off.
Oh, no. I'm holding it. Yo, watch this. A little banana. Oh, no.
Brother.
Oh.
Oh.
No. I'm sorry. All right, watch this bite. Yo, this literally tastes like, I don't know what heaven tastes like, but dadgummit, this is close to it, I think, probably. I don't know. It's just full of freaking flavor. Literally so good. Like, it's so good that my man's driving while eating. Like, I get it, brother. Just look at that. I'm glad y'all got to enjoy that with me, because geez, freaking wheeze, that is amazing. But I'm gonna show y'all the way back home. We've had an amazing time here in North Shore. Did you have fun surfing, brother? I got a couple videos of you. It's kind of hard to see. It's from far away. But this is the #1 long hair don't care guy. So if you've never seen, yeah, the OG long hair don't care guy. If you've never seen this guy, he was in all my Hawaii videos when I came here last year. We became brothers during that time, and now he's my brother for life. Mother freaking.
My woman for life.
Oh, jeez. Whatever. Till death do us part. So, anyways, last view for y'all of this right here. Super beautiful, of course, as always. Hawaii is a vibe. But at the end of the day, we're headed back to the crib. He's got to go to work. So I'm going to show y'all what it looks like cruising out of here, getting back home. I'm going to finish this up, and I hope y'all enjoyed the day, because I know I sure did.
Somebody, we all need somebody, we all need somebody, we all need somebody.
Alrighty, y'all, we have made it home. I had such a good time at North Shore. The beach is absolutely amazing. Now I'm walking down the street, and I want to show y'all what Hawaii kind of looks like near where I'm staying. This is called Palolo Valley, and if you haven't seen the first video, I kind of gave a small house tour. But literally, Hawaii is such a vibe. You just get so much good energy, so much good vibes, the sun, absolutely everything. I'm going to show y'all the streets here because it is absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoy this, because literally not everybody can experience just coming to Hawaii, whether it's where you live, whether it's things you have going on. But at the end of the day, you gotta be able to see this though, because it is freaking amazing. I promise y'all that. That's one thing I can promise you. It is amazing. So check this out real quick. So here's some of the street where we live by. You got a church right there that says Jesus coming soon. Just beautiful though, like you get good weather. Even when it rains, it just feels so amazing out here. But it is absolutely awesome. Just people doing their thing, you know, enjoying life. And yeah, me too, you know. But yeah, it's just, look at that sunlight trying to peek through the trees, the blue skies. It's just absolutely amazing. And you see the valley right there, which is why I'm pretty sure this is called Palolo Valley. But yeah, it's just an amazing time here. So hope y'all enjoying this and hope you've enjoyed the day. All right, y'all, this is gonna be the end of the video. So if you did enjoy it, please make sure you give it a huge thumbs up, drop a comment, and make sure you follow me at NicoTJR on Instagram so you can see this stuff happening in real life. Make sure you check out shopbacktolife.com, grab some merch, support the movement so I can keep bringing y'all awesome content all around the world. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and my Back to Life family, I'll see you on my next vlog. Peace.